Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create the GitHub authentication using Python. So in this project, I'm using Fastapi, which is the one of the popular framework of Python. So in this project, there are three endpoints. The first one is home, home route. The second one is callback route. And the third one is logout route. As you can see in the code, we have the three route. The first one is the home route. And the one is callback. And the one is logout. So first of all, let me run the Fastapi server with the command fastapi dev main.py. Inside the main.py, we include the some setup regarding the FastAPI. So this is a new version of FastAPI, so there is no need to run ubiquin. Yeah. Now our server is running. As you can see, when I refresh this page, I see the continue with GitHub button. So from where this button is coming. So let's move toward the code. First of all, I'm calling this route, and at first, uh, it check that the access token is present in session or not. If the access token is not present in session, then we are redirect to login page. If the access token is present, then we are redirect to home.html page, as you can see here. So let me click on this continue with GitHub button. So let me click, and it say authorize FastAPI. The FastAPI is the GitHub app. This is the name of the GitHub app. So I'm going to authorize this GitHub application with the username one Pandey. Uh, the one thing that you must have a GitHub account. So let me click on authorize one Pandey. It's processing, and as you can see, I'm successfully logged with GitHub with my GitHub account. This is the name of my GitHub account, and this is the following number of following, and this is the number of follower, and this is the public repository that I have in my GitHub account. So let me see. As you can see, this is the profile page of the GitHub. So as you can see, I have follower and 14 following, and my name is Bhuvan Pandey. So the image is as shown here. The same thing is shown here also. So when I click on logout, I'm successfully logged out from that page, and again it show the button continue with the GitHub. So this is the demo of the GitHub authentication project. If you want to know how it works, how to set up this project from start to end, then you can follow this Medium story. I have written the instruction and the process all about this project. So you can visit this um, Medium story, and from where you can learn about this project. So only this much for this video. If you have any question regarding this project, you can ask me on the comment. And one thing, guys, if you like this project, like this video, and please like this story. And at last, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.